welcome back to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today I have my beautiful friend with me, Aarti, and if you want to say YouTube wali Aarti.
Hello everybody, and hi Gagan, thank you for having me on your video.
Yes, so excited. So if you guys don't know, we have shot a video for her channel, and now we're doing a video for my channel. For her channel, we did a makeup look, which turned out pretty well. And
Yeah, did turn out well.
And now for my channel, we have decided to do a social media tag, and I believe nobody have heard about this tag. I can say I think we have created this tag, and especially I think you have created this tag. So I'm super excited to play this social media tag game. If you guys want to see this video, then keep on watching. Okay, Aarti, so let's start answering the questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read one question and answer, and then you can answer the same question, and then you ask me the other question, and we both can answer. So
done.
Yes. So this is basically questions related to social media, people you're following, something related to Facebook. Yeah. So the first question is, how many social media platforms are you active on currently? So actually, I'm not active on that many. I think I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and I think that's about it.
That's good enough, yeah. इससे ज़्यादा क्या लगता है? I think that's good, right?
What all you are active on?
Even I am on Facebook and Instagram. I can't do Snapchat.
I used to do a lot of Snapchat, but now I think I'm leaning towards Instagram.
I mean, I know Snapchat is great क्योंकि मेरे बहुत सारे subscribers मुझे कहते हैं come there, a lot of people like Snapchat, but I'm like, if I download Snapchat, मैं दिन भर phone पे ही रहूंगी. I need to keep this phone down.
All the fun filters and all, huh?
So the next one is, oh, that's a good one. When was the last time you opened Facebook?
You tell.
You know what? आज मैंने अभी खोला था आधे घंटे पहले क्योंकि मैंने एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया तो वो मैं प्रमोट लिंक डालने गई हूँ, बट अदरवाइज आई लिटरली फेसबुक ओनली टू पेस्ट माय वीडियो लिंक्स. आई डोंट गो टू फेसबुक.
Seriously, nowadays I'm not on Facebook at all. If I have to post something related to my work, that's that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I don't really go on Facebook. And I'll just open it, just see my notification, and that's about it. I think even I've opened it like 1 hour ago. So that's about it. I don't open Facebook.
I think Facebook has died. I mean, the Facebook ka maza is gone now.
Gone now. So the next one is really fun. So it says, what is your average IG usage time?
आज सबको अगर असलियत पता चल गई, चलो, let's open our Instagrams and we'll...
No, let's do this. Let's do this, dude. ये मुझे पता है मेरा कुछ दिनों पहले बहुत ज्यादा था, बट अभी इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, अभी तो बहुत कम है. Can you beat this? How much is yours? Tell me quick.
Wait a second, it can't be 42 minutes. ये कुछ गलत है, मेरा बहुत ज्यादा होता है दिन का. 42 minutes दिखा रहा है.
अरे बाबा, अभी तो तू उठी है ना, तो नया दिन चालू हो गया ना, so that way it's counting like that, I think. Even mine starts from morning. So it's only 10 minutes.
What? How can you keep Instagram back in 10 minutes? 10 मिनट तो मैं अपनी स्टोरीज देखती हूँ बार-बार जा जाके. That's how much time I watch my own story.
I don't have many followers on Instagram because I don't use it only that much. I have to be pretty constant now, you know. So,
but you know, I need to check my activity time, and I'm going to tell you. Give me a minute because
see, mine is like this. See, the WhatsApp is the most used, and then there's Insta.
Hours 56 minutes per day, which I think again is very less. मैं Instagram आराम से 3 घंटा तो करती होंगी एक दिन. Daily average is 1 hour 1 minute of Instagram, which is not bad क्योंकि एक टाइम में मेरा उससे बहुत 3 घंटा होता था. So I'm better.
Yeah.
Embarrassing, no? Yes. Did you ever date someone you met via social media? Did I date someone I met on social media? देखो क्या है ना, मैं अभी डेटिंग ऐप के जमाने में सिंगल हूँ, तो तुम ना डेटिंग एप्स को पता नहीं एक तरह का सोशल मीडिया ही बोल सकते हो. तो वैसे हाँ, बट वैसे नहीं. Like how do I say it? Like yes and no is the answer. Like you know how people who know you will approach you via social media?
Right. Even that's my story.
Stranger. Yeah.
So my answer is yes. I have dated a guy from, like, we met earlier through a common friend. Then we started talking on Facebook. Then after 4 years, I married him.
Ooh, wow, what a story. So तुम लोग किस पे मिले? Oh, so Facebook पे मिले.
Facebook पे, yeah, we started talking on Facebook, and then we.
So you all were together for 4 years.
Ha. Like 4 years, we
Wow.
only knew each other. We were friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we met in a wedding, and that's how we started. And I think
Dating.
ज़्यादा gap नहीं था. We met, and after 2-3 months, we got engaged.
ये मार्क ज़करबर्ग को कितनी दुआएं मिलती होगी ना कितने कपल्स की. Nice.
Remember when I first messaged my husband Manan, I wanted to buy a dog, and he had a really cute dog back then, and I messaged him that what breed is it. So that's how we started talking. So the next question is, which is the most embarrassing social media platform you have ever used? Not really. I think you have a funny answer for this. Not for me. I've never used any embarrassing.
You know, embarrassing. मतलब आजकल कितने लोग TikTok को people look down upon TikTok.
Yeah.
So yeah, but I don't. So that's another question. But Orkut एक जमाने में it was so funny. Yeah. Like now when you look back on Orkut, it sounds so funny.
Seriously.
And
but that's
yeah.
how everything started. I mean, Orkut started everything, like the social media thing. I think they were the first, if I'm not wrong.
True.
Huh?
They were the first one. Yeah. But you have none?
No, actually, no. I've never been on any funny, embarrassing. I was on Orkut, so I think that counts if you're saying Orkut.
Yeah, but Orkut is more like nostalgia also.
Huh.
Okay, this is a good one. Which creators on Instagram are you addicted to?
Misu for sure. And there are so many.
Misu is Masoom Meenawala?
Yeah, Masoom is also. No, Misu is different. Misu is Mithila and Sumaya. They have a brand called Misu. And you should go and check them. They are brilliant. They post some really amazing stuff. And Masoom Meenawala is. She's a different person, and she is not in India. She stays, I think, somewhere in some other country. Yeah, she's also very good, and I follow a lot of people. But then I think addicted, if you ask me, I would say Misu. I for sure check their stories and everything.
I need to go check it out.
Yeah, and even if you ask me for YouTube, I love watching Malvika Satlani's videos.
I love Malvika. I really love her, man.
She's
super
really
fun.
Yeah. The reality, behind the scenes, and she's not like all about that glam life. She shows exactly how you live in your house and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's why I love her.
Yeah, even I love her.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. And you?
Ooh. So for me, पहले तो मैं Instagram पे बहुत देखती हूँ. So अगर मुझे top 2-3 सोचने हैं तो number 1, the girl that I love on Instagram, she's a creator called Rega Jha. But she's like a writer, so I'm obsessed with what she writes. I love her. She's a एक अलग ही, she has this very she's a very, what do you say? She's a very unique perspective on everything. So I love reading her posts. So I follow like dozens of comedy creators. So उसमें top में, so the top has to be Kusha and Dolly. Kusha, Dolly are like top of the mind, but there are tons of others, but I can't, like, these are like all-time favorite ones.
Yeah, I started watching Kusha first from iDiva, I think, and Dolly. So, and that's how I came to know and, went to their Instagram page, and oh my God, I used to laugh so much watching their content. It is hilarious. All the time, it's really fun. And I showed it to my husband as well, and he also loved it.
It's fun and it's smart. It's not just stupid fun. It's smart. So very good.
Oh my God, this is which creators you cannot stand?
Do you have any?
No, actually, I don't. Maybe, I don't know. No, not really. Like, they are just creators. They are showing a part of their life, and how can you like according to me, I cannot say that I cannot stand them. Like I just,
Yeah. I understand what you mean.
yeah, they're just showing a part of their life. They're not showing their whole personality. And
Same for me actually. Like for me, even I don't consume. एक तो मैंने पहले भी बोला है कि मैं सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों को follow करती हूँ जो मुझे actually अच्छे लगते हैं. So there is no, why should I go and consume content of people I don't like? So मुझे पता नहीं चलता. But once in a while, एक आध बार जब मुझे कोई चीज खटकती है, वो तब होती है जब I don't see authenticity is something that I don't get attracted to. So then I can't follow. जब मुझे से थोड़ा सा superficial लगता है, but no particular name as such who I can't stand. Okay, the next one is have you followed and then unfollowed an influencer? I have. I'm going to be very honest. I have, because it's very natural, and this is what I want to tell everybody who are even subscribers who are not creators. अगर तुम किसी से कुछ दिन कनेक्ट करते हो और कुछ दिन नहीं करते हो, तो it's very normal. It's a very human thing. There is nothing bad about it.
yeah.
So suddenly a period of time के लिए you really like somebody, and after a point they can be annoying, which is exactly like how you feel for your family or like your brother or your friend. But ठीक है, मतलब I've done it.
Yeah, even I've done it a few times, I would say. Even recently, actually, I wanted to shoot a video, where I'm asking all the big influencers and makeup artists to suggest me some makeup product. And somewhere so sweet, they replied like in a, just like that. And there are people who've seen my messages and still they're not replying, as if they are some sort of, I don't know what. But
yeah.
So that time I feel like, okay, I'm not following you, dude. I mean, I can't stand that much of attitude. No way.
True.
Right. I mean, you can just reply with one product. I mean, how much time does it take, And there were a few big makeup artists and big influencers who replied, and they were so cute. And one is Shrishti Bhatia. I really would suggest you to follow her. She's amazing. And I told her that nobody's replying me. You're such a big influencer, you replied me, and because I'm a micro influencer, nobody's messaging me back. And she was like, no, don't call yourself micro influencer. You are not a micro influencer, you are just an influencer just like me. And I like, मतलब मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा ना वो पढ़ के. She made my day. She's such a sweetheart.
And you're not even a micro influencer, man. You are definitely not. At this point,
Insta pe to nobody is following me na. I only have 25.
But your YouTube pe you have your.
I don't know what happened. I took a break now for one and a half year because of for my daughter. So I think it's my YouTube videos anymore. Like if I post, there are only 200 to 300 views. That's it. And earlier I used to get like there is a video of mine where I'm just recreating Priyanka Chopra's look. It got 1 million views. Imagine.
Wow.
So like it used to happen like back then, one and a half year back, but now it's not that. I think YouTube has changed their algorithm or something has happened, I don't know. And it's very important to click that bell icon now.
I'm sure you will come back into that.
Yeah. Now I'm planning this Navratri looks now for 9 days back to back. That will be fun. It will bring my followers and viewers back. Ever wrote a hate comment on someone's post? You would like to answer that?
I would actually like to answer that very honestly. So by the way, I'm not a person who will ever drop a hate comment. Okay, like I just said, nahi pasand aaya, niklo page se. But I did once, and I was surprised at myself, because I'll tell you this. I'm not going to name the creator, but there was this obnoxious creator who is an Indian, not based in India, but based in America, Canada, somewhere. And he posts obnoxious videos about how feminism is bullshit and how women should respect men. Like he propagates everything that is wrong on a platform that is as powerful as YouTube. और उसके videos देखकर जो मेरा temperature went up. Like I started getting angry. I'm like, how is this guy misusing such a huge platform that has been given to him, and how can he even very, very, very obnoxious videos rating girls on basis of their looks. He's rating girls 4 on 10. I'm like, kaun hai ye? So I wrote a long comment under his video that, you're really misusing this platform. See, so that was the one.
That's not, I would not say that that's a hate comment. I would say you just commented what you felt, right? It was not hate. Hate is a very powerful word and very...
I mean, I didn't say you should die and you should, I didn't say all that.
Yeah. Something like you're abusing somebody and taking names and, saying things. That's, I think, what hate for me. And for me, I think I've never commented anything on anybody's post, not hate, not anger, nothing, not even love. And now I've started commenting, but I am a very lazy person to comment.
I know what you
I
mean.
don't
Yeah,
usually go and type things.
yeah.
Yeah,
But you know what? I would like to bring this up here now that you said it. Even I used to be very lazy about commenting. But जब से मैंने content बनाना शुरू किया ना, and I saw how much that comment helps you feel good, I
good.
have very actively started commenting on most creators. Like 95% अगर मैं कोई video देखती हूँ और मुझे अच्छा लगता है, तो I'll not
You
think
comment.
twice before.
And that's
Yeah,
how it works. Yeah, I mean, that's how people will notice you, and that's how you will, grow. So that's important. Yeah, you should comment, but you should comment good.
What is your most scandalous social media post till date? Ooh, nice. Then I feel you will not have any scandals. पता नहीं क्यों I feel like you've been this good girl, very nice, अच्छी बच्ची, posting all like nice stuff. This is what I think, but you tell me.
No, that's true. Huh? Like I've never posted anything scandalous to say, but yeah, I just know I post normal things. Yeah, seriously. And what about you? I want to hear
I have
your story.
so I have so many stories, but I am sorry, I will not say anything here because वो इतने scandalous है. But because I was
Now
a
people will
wild
be
child.
on your Facebook scrolling.
Don't put that idea in anybody's head, dude. I'll have to go and look back. No, but at a point of time, I used to be this very impulsive person. Whatever would come to my head, agar I am angry, whatever, I would not think twice before posting it. And I would get calls and messages from friends saying, "ये क्या डाला है तूने?" And I would be like, "My life, don't interfere."
Oh
So I
my
was a
God.
little, I know. I was very like, but ठीक है, वो अभी बंद हो गया है. तो की है, काफी किस्से हैं.
Here, okay. Next question. What is the dumbest thing you've ever posted?
I think all of us have, na? You tell me.
So I used to on Facebook. I used to write these song ke lyrics. Now I find it really funny. So and then I used to just post a status saying some song lyrics, and it was fun back then. But now I find it so funny. Like I can't do it anymore.
Yeah, but song lyrics is still okay. I used to write shit like 2008 में मैं क्या क्या लिखती थी पता है? Eating dinner now, going to work now. I'm like मैं किसको update कर रही थी इन सब चीजों के साथ? I was really dumb things as to write.
शुरू हुआ था ना वो feeling sad and eating dinner and
oh my god,
लोगों को actually बहुत exciting लगा and everybody wanted to post something or the other thing related to that, है ना?
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
that was such a trend. That feeling sad with 35 other people was so funny. Like they don't even feel sad. Why are you tagging them? Oh god.
There was this one post I remember. Somebody forwarded the message. It said, got married with 30.
Oh my god. यार लोगों ने पता है क्या क्या हनीमून के फोटोज पोस्ट किए और 50 लोगों को टैग कर दिया. People have made funny posts on Facebook.
Seriously, पहले किसी को समझ में आता नहीं. It was too funny, yeah.
जो है, this is a task. You'll have to get your phone out for this and हमें दिखाना है हमारा first ever Facebook DP. So अभी Instagram पे इतने अच्छे अच्छे filters लगा के देखने के बाद बीच कॉलेज में कॉलेज में बैठी हुई हूँ, black and white picture. So ये मेरे पुणे के कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर का फोटो है.
I thought you were talking about Nagpur के कॉलेज.
That is your first Facebook DP?
Yeah. This is
my god,
from my sister's wedding. Yeah.
So creative it is for that zamana. That's too much.
And this is my second.
Very nice. I see some smoky eye.
Yeah. And do you want to see how thin I was? Actually, you know na how thin I was.
Of course I know. I've seen you live.
After you get married and after you have a baby, everything changes.
मुझे वो सब before marriage और baby होने लग गया है. So I don't know what you're talking. I think it's just
now I've lost 9 kgs since Izara was born, so I'm happy.
Wow, that's great, man.
And without doing anything, just running behind her. What is the lamest album name of this one?
ये बहुत सही वाले मिलने वाले हैं, मैं तुमको बता रही हूँ. I will तो have एक से बढ़कर एक lame names. I'll tell you.
Tell.
One folder is called Happy Birthday. I don't know why did I write it like that. HEPPY Happy. Why? One folder is called When I'm Jobless. और उसमें बहुत ही बकवास से रैंडम फोटोज का मिक्सचर है कि जब मैं खाली बैठती हूँ मैं क्या करती
I think I don't have
वेलागिरी.
funny वाले.
वेलागिरी नाम का एक एल्बम तो हर एक के फेसबुक पे होता है. आई थिंक
हाँ, एक है
इट
मेरे
वाज
पास.
द
It says glowing in dark, and we, we partied, and we had this UV tube light, and it's all, let's say,
बट इट्स नॉट लेम. ग्लोइंग इन डार्क इज कूल.
हाँ, चल cool बोल सकते हैं, but other than that, I don't think so. I have any lame. It's like normal. Holi, then इसका birthday,
हाँ.
उसका birthday, इसका संगीत, उसका शादी. This is all I have.
Have you made a fake Instagram account? ये इसका जवाब अगर कोई नहीं देता है तो मैं उसको कभी बिलीव ही नहीं करूंगी. आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी ऑन अर्थ हैज मेड अ फेक अकाउंट वंस इन देयर लाइफ.
नहीं, I'll tell you, I have never ever made a fake account. So I have 3 accounts on Instagram: Makeup and Fashion Diaries, Gaganpreet, and Knitted Affair, which I used to run. This was my business. I used to sell jewelry.
I have made one. And yeah, it was for stalking purposes very clearly. जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे कहते हैं will you just stalk this whole stalking? I'm like, listen, this is my Netflix. जैसे तुम लोग Netflix देखते हो, मैं stalk करती हूँ. So I'm like, ठीक.
Good.
Yeah.
Good time pass, na? So who was the last person you blocked on social media? See, clearly I'm not taking the name, but I have blocked. I think yesterday only.
Oh, yesterday? Okay then.
I keep blocking people. Whoever I don't like, I block. If I feel that person is, commenting bad.
Annoyed.
Yeah, not annoying, but just commenting bad. I just block that person because I don't want that negativity. I want all my posts to be very positive, and that's why.
So it was a random stranger that you blocked.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not a friend or a.
No. Only
same. I think the last time I must have blocked somebody is अभी 2-3 दिन पहले YouTube पे block because very derogatory comment and a very disgusting comment.
Yeah, even I blocked
this person had written about me, a guy.
Yeah,
sleazy. So yeah, पर उसके पहले ये ex वगैरह को block करने के तो ज़माने अभी चले गए यार.
हाँ.
वो सब करके हो गया. Not blocked any one of those. Yeah.
Okay.
Another one is a comment someone dropped for you that you can never forget.
Good or bad?
Good or bad? I think I'm going to talk about a good one because I just spoke about bad comments.
Yeah.
So for me, one of my most memorable comments of all time is this person had written on my. So I get a lot of comments saying you're your mom's Xerox copy, ekdam similar. So I'm like, yes, I know that. But one subscriber wrote, you look like your mom, but you're actually like your dad. And when I read that, most apt combination. That's exactly who I am. And for your subscribers to understand you like that is like big. So that was very sweet. Yeah, that I remember.
Yeah, and for me, I think I told you now this one influencer, Shrishti, had a small chat, and the thing she said was, I told you earlier also that she said that you are not a micro influencer, you are just an influencer like me, and that was such a good comment that it made my whole day, and I was so positive, and I think so far इससे अच्छा comment मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला. It was such a sweet comment, and I really appreciate that. So I decided to subscribe and like and comment, and it's always good to support other people.
Yeah, 100%. And I think most of the influencers are like that. Like they are the ones who want to support. ये जो कुछ ही है जो they go on another tangent. But yeah.
Okay, so the next question is, why did you start doing YouTube? So I want you to answer this first.
Okay, I'll give you a very short form answer कि कैसे शुरू हुआ, क्योंकि कहानी तो obviously बहुत लंबी है. But मैंने टीवी और रेडियो मिलके काम कर लिया था, कुछ 8-10 साल हो गए थे, and I was just not happy with what I was doing, and I knew I wanted to do something else, but I didn't know what was it. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या करना है, but I knew it had to be creative.
Yeah.
So and I was also going through mild clinical depression. So I had consulted a doctor, everything, and I was in that phase. So मैंने अपना TV project छोड़ दिया था, मैं घर पे I was like getting back to life. And I spoke to a mentor of mine. Like he's a huge music director down south, and he was my first ever boss in radio. So I spoke to him. He's my mentor now. So he told me कि start your YouTube channel. Very random. कुछ plan ही नहीं. I'm like, what? But I said, but why should I do that? And I was planning to start my audio podcast then क्योंकि मैं radio कर चुकी थी. So I was like, let me start a podcast.
Yeah.
But he told me, don't do a podcast, start a channel. And he gave me 3 दिन का time. वो तो बोला तू कल शुरू कर. I said, that's not happening. He gave me 3 days time. On 21st Jan, we spoke. On 24th Jan, I started my channel.
Wow.
It was just, and that's why there was no thought put in it. There was no decision of what content. कुछ नहीं, बस शुरू कर दिया. So the first year of YouTube, I was just doing it for myself. Like I really wasn't making videos for audience. I was just making it because it helped me made me very happy.
Yeah.
और वो करते करते it made me so happy that I was like, what? This is what I'm going to do now.
Yeah.
It was a very good, experience like that.
Seriously. So for me, it was pure love for makeup. I used to love makeup, and I used to experiment and do some looks using my different eyeshadow palettes, and I used to love makeup. And I was like, why am I wasting this talent? I should just put this out there and let people watch and make people learn from me. And then I started making videos, and when I got those comments and when I got that positive feedback, I used to love it, and I was like, okay, this is it, this is what I want to do.
But how did the idea of YouTube come in your head? Like, did you always watch YouTube before that?
I learned a lot of makeup from YouTube.
Oh, that's why.
That's how it clicked me, that I can learn from YouTube. Anybody can learn from YouTube. And if I'm good at something, I really want to, show it to people and share my tricks and tips, So yeah, that's how.
Yeah, and it worked so well.
Yeah.
Damn cool.
Seriously.
एक चीज मैंने बहुत पहले पढ़ी थी, and I think I really stuck to that. That said, who is a good influencer? And that reply was, when people leave your page happy, you are a good influencer. People should come to your page and leave happy. But it's not a rule, but I like that analogy. So जब भी मैं कोई pages देखती हूँ या कोई लोग देखती हूँ who are just there to show कि I have this, I have that, it's too much about showing and there is very little about creating. So then I'm not interested. I always like original, like creation. What are you creating out of whatever you have?
Yeah.
True. That is very attractive.
Yes, that is.
Okay, what will you say to haters, trolls on social media? You go, because you've been here for a long time and I'm sure you must have had different experiences.
So I would say, I've never been trolled, firstly. Haters होंगे. आप अगर काम कर रहे हो, haters will be there for you, no matter what. आप अगर social media पे हो, haters तो आने ही आने हैं. And recently I saw a video from Lily Singh. So she was like कि मेरे इतने million followers हैं, इतने लोगों ने मेरा वीडियो हेट किया. उसने लिटरली हिसाब लगाया अपने कैलकुलेटर में, एंड उसने एक अमाउंट बोला, एंड शी वाज लाइक, हेटर्स ने मुझे इतनी कमाई कराई है, तो यू आल्सो नीड योर हेटर्स टू हेट ऑन यू, टू हिट दैट डिसलाइक बटन, they are literally helping you out, and that's what I say to haters. Thank you.
Nice, very nice. I love this analogy. Yeah, I never thought of this before.
So once I saw her video, I was like, wow, she's amazing. The way she's taken that into a positive note was amazing. I love her. She's great.
Yeah, thanks for sharing this with me, dude. This has really changed my perspective also. Like, wow.
What do you say for haters and trollers?
What will I say to them? So मैं ना क्या करती हूँ, मैं कुछ लोगों को रिप्लाई करती हूँ. I don't ignore all of them. Like I treat differently. Like कोई comment मुझे funny लगा तो laugh also, because sometimes the comments are so funny, even if they're making fun of me. Sometimes I'll delete if it's very like vulgar. But sometimes if somebody is being unreasonably obnoxious, then I'll reply back to them. Because मुझे like बहुत लोगों को it's very easy to drop one random thing and go, but one random comment can some days affect some person very badly on some days when you're having a bad day.
Happened with me also. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I go and like I give it back to them because I am human and I am not going to be peaceful all the time. Ki, Aao, bolo. I give it back.
So
So it's very funny that when you give it back, they can't take it. So when people talk to you in your language, you run away. So it's funny for me. So, but touch wood, I did not get massive hate till now, like we just spoke. But जब अगर वो होता है तो तब we'll see क्या how will I react. But अब तक तो ये
Abhi, so I told you na, even if that happens, that means you're, you know, going up, and
Yeah.
you know, success is coming to you basically.
I'll remember this.
Yeah, I mean, so yeah, Aarti, I think that's about it. Oh my god, I really loved doing this video. It was such a fun video, and I hope you enjoyed too. And I hope our subscribers enjoy this as well. If you guys like this social media tag, then please comment in the comment section below. And if you guys want to suggest this tag to someone else, then go ahead and do that. I mean, this is going to be super fun, and they can put their own questions, you know.
Yeah, and don't forget to check out our video together on my channel where she's teaching me some makeup because I'm this new makeup newbie, like enthusiast, and I don't know anything. So I got her to teach me some. So वो link भी नीचे रहेगी, है ना?
Yes, definitely. I'll put your link on my description box, and you can put this link on your description box. And yeah, so guys, follow Aarti on Instagram and follow me on Instagram as well because मेरे Instagram कोई follow नहीं करता मुझे.
हर जगह कर लो हमको follow, like, share, subscribe, do everything.
सब कर लो, share भी कर लो. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.